everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you 3 different hairstyles which is perfect for this party season. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to it and don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified about my future uploads. So without any further delay, let's move on to the video. For the first hairstyle, I'm going to grab some hair from the front section. Now I am going to secure it with an elastic tie. Divide the bottom section into 2 parts. I am going to divide this ponytail into 2 sections and start making Dutch braid. Now secure it with an elastic tie. I am going to repeat the same process to the other side. Start making Dutch braid. Now we are going to decorate this braid with a ribbon. Cross it like this. Now make a bow. You can leave it like this or you can decorate it with some pearls. I am adding some beads. So this is our first hairstyle. For this hairstyle, firstly I am going to divide our hair into 2 parts. Divide our upper part into 2 sections. From this side I am going to start making Dutch braid. I will start adding here from this side. I am going to repeat the same thing till the end. At the end, secure it with an elastic tie and open the rest of the hair. I am going to decorate with a ribbon. Firstly, make a knot over here. Wrap this ribbon all over the braid. Now I'm going to make a knot over here. Decorate it with some beads. This is the final look of the hairstyle. For the next hairstyle, I am going to divide her hair into two parts. Secure this side with a clip. And यहाँ से हम डच ब्रेड बनाना शुरू करेंगे. से हेयर ऐड करना शुरू करूंगी एंड मैं ये ब्रेड कंटिन्यू करूंगी यहाँ एंड तक. Lastly, secure it with an elastic tie. और इसे हम यहाँ फिक्स कर देंगे. So this is the final look. आप कोई भी एक्सेसरीज लगा के अपनी हेयर स्टाइल को डेकोरेट कर सकते हैं. Final look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.